What is ransomware, and why should you care? Imagine waking up and seeing this on your computer. Your files are locked. Pay to get them back. This isn't a movie, it's ransomware, a real threat. Ransomware is malware that locks your files. It often sneaks in through emails, websites, or apps that seem safe, then encrypts your data. Hackers demand a ransom, usually money, to unlock it. It can hit anyone, individuals, businesses, even hospitals. Most attacks start with something simple, clicking a suspicious link or downloading a risky file. Once inside, ransomware spreads and sometimes even targets backups. The best defense? Prevention. Be careful with unknown emails. Keep your software updated. Backup files and keep backups separate. If you get hit, don't rush to pay. Paying may not help and can encourage hackers. Ransomware can affect anyone, anytime. Stay smart, stay vigilant, and keep your digital world safe.